बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे अप्रैल 14 2024 के अखबार में, करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी। अच्छा जी, पीपीएल पाकिस्तान पेट्रोलियम लिमिटेड, पाकिस्तान पेट्रोलियम लिमिटेड पीपीएल इज़ मेंटेनिंग अ century old legacy in exploration and production of oil and gas in the country. ये चलें छोड़ें। The company seeks to invite applications for the following position from high caliber professionals qualified from reputable local or foreign institutions/universities recognized by the Higher Education Commission of Pakistan to join its team manager/senior manager PME/BLZ. Qualification and experience: master's degree or equivalent in geosciences or mineral/mining economics, or 4-year engineering degree in mining with at least 14 years of experience, including 5 years mineral/mining exposure. Candidates with an MBA degree would have an added advantage. Job responsibility: the position will report to Chief Operating Officer and will be responsible for overseeing delivery operations at Balan Mining Enterprises PME, a joint venture between PPL as operator and Government of Balochistan. The incumbent will manage PME's business of mining, branding and marketing of varieties, including development operations of Barite Lead and Zinc BLZ project, Khuzdar and Nokhandi and Dilband iron ore projects. General women meeting the required qualification and experience are encouraged to apply. Since this is a regular position, candidates will be screened for continuity and retirement age. The cutoff date for calculating required experience will be the last date of application submission. Interested candidates may visit our website for details and apply online at https://www.ppl.com.pk/human-resource/vacancies, latest by April 29, 2024. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interviews. Disclaimer: in case suitable candidates are not available, the positions will remain vacant. ओके जी, एक और जॉब है, ये भी 14 मार्च की है, डॉन संडे की। पीर अब्दुल कासिर शाह जिलानी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंस, गैम्बेट डिस्ट्रिक्ट, खैरपुर मीरस। करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, फैकल्टी पोजीशंस। नहीं, ये वाली जॉब तो मैं बता चुकी हूँ, ये आप लोग सरकारी मुलाजमत में देखिएगा। ये वाली जॉब मैं बता चुकी हूँ, मैं इसकी जगह कोई और जॉब आप लोगों को बता रही हूँ। ये डॉन की जॉब है, नेशनल ट्रांसमिशन एंड डिस्पैच कंपनी लिमिटेड NTDC। करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, ये डॉन में आई हुई है 14 मार्च 2024 के अखबार में। नेशनल ट्रांसमिशन एंड डिस्पैच कंपनी लिमिटेड NTDC is backing the economic growth of the country through its excellent transmission and dispatch network with optimum utilization of resources, and by providing a rewarding workplace for the employees. The company invites applications from energetic and competent candidates for the following positions on contract basis. Serial number 1, name of post: junior engineer, BPS 17. Qualification and experience: minimum BE/BSc engineering, electrical/electronics with first division/2.5 or above CGPA from HSC recognized universities and having valid PEC registration. Age limit: years 33. Quota: all quotas including provincial quota etc. as prescribed by federal government will be observed while making appointments. Number 2, assistant manager IT, BPS 17, 16 years of education, bachelor's or master's degree with at least 2.5 CGPA/60% marks in computer science/computer engineering/software engineering/IT/computer system engineering duly recognized by HSC. Age limit years 33. Punjab Open is equal to 2. Ex-FATA Open is equal to 1. Instructions and general conditions. Candidates are advised to apply online on prescribed application form available on National Testing Service NTS website www.nts.org.pk. Candidates must possess relevant degree/equivalence recognized by HC. Candidates awaiting their results are not eligible to apply. Photocopies of educational documents/experience certificates are not required at this stage. Candidates are advised to deposit the test fee of ₹650, ₹650 only as prescribed by NTS. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for test/interview. Original documents/degrees HEC verified certificates must be presented by the candidates at the time of interview. Candidates may contact NTS for any query/inquiry regarding written test, display of provincial and final lists of candidates, roll number, slips, test centers, results, etc. 5 years general age relaxation has already been included in the age limit. No further age relaxation shall be granted except relaxation mentioned at serial number 9, 10 and 11. Upper age limit is allowed/relaxed up to 3 years to the candidates belonging to scheduled castes, Buddhist community, recognized tribes of tribal areas, ex-FATA, Gilgit-Baltistan and Azad Kashmir, NTDC/government employees who have completed 2 years continuous service on the closing date of receipt of applications are allowed up to 10 years relaxation in the prescribed age limit. However, they shall apply through proper channel. Where a candidate is entitled to age relaxation under more than one category, instructions at serial number 9 and 10, he/she shall be allowed relaxation in age only in one category. Incomplete applications or applications containing incorrect information shall be disqualified at any stage, even after employment with cost. The candidates who have been weeded out of service on disciplinary ground as well as dismissed or debarred from future employment are not eligible to apply. Candidates applying against a minority or disability quota post have to produce minority/disability certificate from authority concerned. The stated BPS-based positions will be considered for regularization after successful completion of the contract period and satisfactory performance as per rules. Candidates, if selected against these positions, will be required to perform duties anywhere in Pakistan as per requirement of the company. No TA/DA will be allowed to the candidates for test or interview. NTTC reserves the right to increase or decrease the number of posts or withhold the recruitment process at any stage. Last date for receipt applications is 2 May 2024. अहम ऐलान, तहरीरी इम्तिहान शुरू होने से पहले तमाम अहल/शॉर्ट लिस्ट किए गए उम्मीदवारों को जिन्हें तहरीरी इम्तिहान के लिए बुलाया जाएगा, इनकी हाज़िरी और शनाख्त की जांच बायोमेट्रिक टेक्नोलॉजी के ज़रिए की जाएगी। लिहाजा तमाम दरख्वास्त दहिंदगान के लिए नादरा सिस्टम में अपने फिंगरप्रिंट्स को अपडेट करना लाजमी है। अगर वो ऐसा करने में नाकाम रहते हैं तो इन्हें तहरीरी इम्तिहान में शिरकत की इजाज़त नहीं होगी। Important announcement: biometric attendance/verification of all the shortlisted/eligible candidates will be carried out at NTS test centers before the start of the written test. Therefore, all the applications are required to get their fingerprints updated in Nadra system. Otherwise, they will not be allowed to appear in the written test. General Manager HR NTDC, 2nd floor, Shaheen Complex, Egerton Road, Lahore. नेशनल टेस्टिंग सर्विस NTS, प्लॉट नंबर 96, स्ट्रीट नंबर 4, H फॉर हाउस -8/1, इस्लामाबाद। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।